Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Instagram feed reset not working. So if you tried resetting your feed but nothing changed, here's our some solutions. For that, first of all, you have to make sure your Instagram is up to date. Open up your app store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Once you search for it, tap onto it. Just like so. Inside here, if you found update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. New features like reset suggested content may not work on older versions. After that is done, head back to your home screen, open up your Instagram application, tap on your profile icon, then tap on the three-line icon. Just like that, inside here, search for content preferences, then tap onto it. Now tap on reset suggested content and then simply tap on next. Now confirm it by tapping onto it again. And after you do that, if it still looks the same, you may need to refresh the algorithm by unfollowing accounts you don't like and interacting with posts you actually enjoy. Instagram learns from your activity over time. If the option is missing entirely, you want to go ahead and simply reinstall the Instagram application or wait for update. Sometimes Instagram rolls out features reason by reason. That is simply how you can fix Instagram feed reset not working. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.